Hey, thanks for coming by. I really appreciate you coming to my channel. Thank you very much. Today I just want to give an update on my software. Here we have my setup going on again with my live phone here. My beaten and bruised phone and me banging into the table and everything else. And I think you might hear the blue jay in the background. So anyway, I came up with a plan with this, and I just want to share with you a link because you're watching this video, but I also want to give you an update on what I'm going to be doing with my application here. Now, I'm going to separate my application into two different deals. I'm going to create a paid one. I don't know how much, man. It can't be much, but some kind of something, right? And then a light version. I know it's so I'm not a marketeer. I've never been I'm nothing, I don't do marketing. I mean, I don't even know what the hell you call it. I got to figure out a way maybe to earn some pennies off of this without I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, man. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing as I go along. So because you guys have, you've been watching my videos, you've been following me, I want to give you a link to the free version, right? It's like a secret between you and me and, the wall. Down below, I have a link, right? And if you go to my webpage, if you just go to thoughtpill.com, you're not going to find a link to this file. Right, yeah, the link is below. You click on it, and it will just download an APK file, .apk file. That file, you just download it to your Android. Your Android will ask you, hey, who is this? I'm not sure if they're going to verify it. I don't think they'll verify it because you're getting it you're not getting it through the store. So, and I still haven't worked out whether I can do that, whether I can distribute separately from the store, especially with a paid app. The full version, which is what I'm going to make available to you. So that was the main thrust of this video. I just wanted to share with you that I'm going to, here, you want to see this uglified version, by the way? Look at that light, right? I put this light thing in here. Forgive me, please forgive me for doing this, man. So this comes on, and I have this weird ad service. There's a test ad here because I can't have real ads running until it's for real. And here's the other thing, right? You can't clear your DTCs with the free version. You can read them. This is going to error. Oh, no. What is that? Right. Yeah, this is crazy, man. What happens with these freaking ads? Anyway. So, right. Reading. So it'll run one or two. I think I have a limit of 3 times. Let me see. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Shut the Bluetooth off. Right. I don't know who's calling me, man. What kind of people bothering me? Now it should just right away say your Bluetooth's not enabled. So let me see. Read. Yeah. See. So that'll tell me how many times. I think I got one more click, or maybe this will go to an ad. I don't know. Yeah. See, it's gonna bring us to an ad. It's awful. This is awful and terrible, right? This is some kind of, here, enjoy the test ad. And I'm waiting for the X. I'm hating it as much as you would, or you are, right? This is awful. This is ugly as hell. I tell you, it went against the grain of all of my, I have to say, 50-50. First of all, I'll finish the sentences. The idea of integrating ads into a tool, right, is just, come on, man, really? On the other hand, as a developer, I had to develop a way, right? So this is the light version, and this is the original full version, right? Which just, by the way, we're at 1.006, right? So here's the full version, and it's basically everything that was in the light version, just without the nonsense, right? And of course, when you go to and this is what is available at that link down below. So you guys go grab this, man. Nobody else will know where this link is except for that text down there in my description. Otherwise, this is the paid app, right? And there's no frills. This is just straight up, man. There's no ads. I think, right? There's no I can just constantly go. So let me close this again, right? And let me just close everything here and just get myself together. I don't know what that, did that really spawn that? Anyway, so let me open the light version again, the what I could call the uglified version. And so it takes a second if you're hooked up to the internet. I don't know. I guess it doesn't do anything if you're not hooked up to the internet. Maybe I'll put a border around there. It's so ugly, right? Okay, so I can go once, twice, three. Yeah, it's actually 3 times because it'll do the ad. Yeah. Let's look at that crap, man. Oh my goodness. Come on. All right. Fine. Whoops. So great, and then it'll do it that last time after it's done with the ad. So it's kind of interesting programming going on, and then you get 3 more times, right? Boom, 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 and then of course we're back to the ad. Oh, I'm sorry, I put you guys through these ads. Come on, get out of here. Like yeah. I know you didn't come to my channel to see freaking free ads for these people. I don't even know who these people are, really. It's crazy. I had to create an account somewhere on Google called AdMob. I guess that's mobile. My girlfriend's like, doesn't that mean mobile? I'm thinking mob, like a mob of people. Whatever. AdMob. And I hooked up to that somehow, and I don't really know. This is all very sophisticated how these ads are brought to us. But there it is. It's the same version, right? It's all the same code. And of course, you can't clear it. Now, what I did originally was I was going to allow you to clear it and then show an ad every time you cleared it. And then I figured, you know what? You guys know that you can get this for free, so you can clear your stuff for free. You can just get this app, right? So I'm going to make it so that if somebody, you can read the code still, right? This is going to error right now, but you can still read the codes, and it should give you a nice readout of the codes, but you can't clear it unless you give me, I don't know, $5. I don't know what I'm going to charge for this thing. Look, man, I'm like, this whole pandemic whatever thing going on, it's kind of put me out of work a little bit, so I'm just kind of looking for maybe a way to legitimately, like, on the level, earn like a couple dollars somehow. But as a thank you to just you watching this video, here to get the link. It's free. I don't know, I can't say how long that's going to be there. It's certainly going to be there for a little while here. That will be there, and depending on how much, if it starts getting stupid, like I'm imagining things, right? There's like 10 people and thank you. Jeez, let me not. Thank you for downloading and testing and checking out the app. But there's not a lot of, like, in the world, there's not a lot of people downloading this. So I'm like having delusions of grandeur, like people would actually want this thing. Anyway, that's where it's at. The main point of this video was a thank you for coming and watching my stuff, subscribing or not or whatever. And here's the link down there for this free version of this app, and I'm putting a notice up, right? This is going to get stupid. I'm going to update the version that's here, right? This version that's up here. I'm probably very soon going to move this out of testing into production, and it's going to be this crap. It's going to be I'll say it. It's going to be this crappy app version. Look, I'm a developer. I'm an engineer. I'm not a marketer. I'm just like whatever, right? So an app with a bunch of heads is kind of, you know what it is, man. So there it is. All right, so I'm all torn up. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to proceed. There's going to be a paid app. There's going to be a free app. And then there's going to be this thing that you guys are going to, at least for a little while, be able to access, depending on how stupid and busy this thing might get and on the store, and if, like, all of a sudden everybody's just going to my website instead or something. You know what I mean? So, is that cool? Does that sound alright, man? Anyway, I think I tried to say it in the beginning, but, like, hey, thanks a lot for coming to my channel. And checking it out. I have this other, damn it. I have this other channel called Thought Pill. I get into a little bit more technical stuff. Like, here's an example of, like, my actual code. right? Like here's the code for clearing the codes, and I'm working on this can, right? You don't see this anywhere in the app right now. Here's my monitors page, settings page, right? The code is all back here. You don't want to see this. It's like, it looks as bad as what you see right here. Anyway, so on my thought pill page, I need to, because I'm going to be looking for a job or something at some point, I'm going to need to show some technical something or other, right? But this channel here, this router channel, is just is more like a, for like just normal, like regular people, just like, what's up with that? You don't need like 16 million what is a start activity task, and what is an intent, and an app. We'll do that somewhere else, right? Anyway, I have to update my synthetic oil video. Anyway, so did you hear those blue jays out there? Anyway, all of a sudden I'm listening to all these animals. So thanks a lot for coming by. Have a great day, and if you have any problems with this app, just do anything weird, I'd appreciate you letting me know. All right, very good. Thank you very much.